Hello everyone, children for class 7. I had made one more video earlier, one or two video. So in that video we had studied that what is light. In first video I had explained what is light, how do we see the things around us. After that, why do we call light as the form of energy. If you will see that video, you will understand all these things. These are very easy things you have studied, and you will understand this one again also. In second video I had explained activity to show the rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, now let us start another topic of this chapter, that is reflection of light. This is very important topic, and this is very important thing also which nature has made for us. Due to reflection of light we see the things around us, as we have studied already. Now next one, suppose children, if we stand in front of the mirror, what we see? We see our reflection in the mirror. We see the person like us in front, behind the mirror. So that is our reflection. So if you suppose someone's my face tallies with the face of my daughter, what we say that she is just like the reflection of her mother. So the same kind of thing seen through the mirror, or same kind of person is seen behind the mirror, that is known as the reflection of that object. So how it happens and where it happens, that we will understand. Children, all the opaque objects, what happens, all the opaque objects reflects the light back. When the light strikes the any opaque surface, whether it is mirror or wall or anything, light bounces back from that surface, and that phenomena is known as reflection of light. Like suppose if we strike the wall with a ball, we throw ball on the wall, ball will bounce back. Same thing happens with light also, although we don't see that light is bouncing back, but it happens with all the things where light strikes. So now suppose children, we take a mirror, plain mirror. Plain mirror is what? A transparent glass plate whose one surface is polished. It is made shiny, and then it will become an opaque surface which will have shiny surface also. It is smooth also, it has shiny surface also. So let a ray of light strikes the surface of mirror, then this ray will bounce back in the same medium, along the same side. Suppose we name this one as Mn, as the plane mirror. Okay, and now a ray of light is PQ which strikes the surface of mirror. Now this ray is known as incident ray. Okay, now when this ray strikes the surface at Q, this Q point will be named as point of incidence. Now this ray will bounce back in the same medium. Suppose QR is the ray which is bouncing back from the surface of mirror. So PQ will be the incident ray and QR will be the reflected ray which bounces back from the surface of mirror. So over here we will name Mn as the surface of mirror. Then this ray PQ is striking the surface of mirror, and QR is the same ray which is bouncing back, that we will name as reflected ray. So this kind of phenomena is known as reflection of light. So what will be the definition of this phenomena? Bouncing back of light from a surface, from a smooth and shiny surface, is known as reflection of light. Although reflection of light takes place from all the surfaces around us which are opaque. So this phenomena is named as reflection of light. What? the phenomena of bouncing back of light from a surface is known as reflection of light. Bouncing back of light from a surface, from an opaque surface, is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. Now fill in. What is here? Mn is the plane mirror, PQ is the incident ray which is striking the surface of mirror, Q is the point of incidence, and QR is the reflected ray. Okay. Now we draw a line at the point of incidence which makes an angle 90 degree with the mirror. This dotted line which has been drawn at the point of incidence Q is normal at the point of incidence. It is also called perpendicular. So this is called normal at the point of incidence, right? Which makes an angle 90 degree with the mirror. Now till in this one, PQ makes some angle with the normal. इंसिडेंट रे नॉर्मल के साथ कुछ एंगल बनाता है. इस एंगल को हम लोग कहते हैं एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस और इसको रिप्रेजेंट कीजिएगा आई से. द एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल मीन्स क्या, ये जो एंगल है पी क्यू ओ, इसको हम लोग कहेंगे एंगल आई, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, angle of incidence. Which angle? PQO is the angle of incidence. Now the reflected ray also makes some angle with the normal. That angle is called angle of reflection. So name of angle of reflection will be OQR, that is angle R, which is called angle of reflection. Okay. So what we studied here, that we have taken a mirror. On the surface of mirror we let a ray of light PQ strike, then point Q is the point of incidence. Now the ray bounces back after falling on the mirror. This is QR, that is called reflected ray. OQ is the line drawn at the point of incidence, that makes an angle 90 degree with the mirror. This line is called normal at the point of incidence. Now the incident ray makes some angle with the normal, that is called angle of incidence. The reflected ray makes some angle with the normal, that is called angle of reflection. So we will write the definition of all these three things. Which one? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence, angle of incidence, and angle of reflection. 5 definitions we have to write. So I think you will write listening the definition in this video. So as a whole children, today we studied what is reflection of light and the terms related to reflection of light. Which terms we studied? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence, angle of incidence, and angle of reflection. 6 definitions we studied. So you will write all these definitions in your notebook, and after this I will show you, I will make another video to show the reflection of light by an activity. So see the video nicely, being concentrate, then you will understand the thing, because physics is the subject to understand children. It is the subject to apply your knowledge in the daily life phenomena. Okay, so understand this one. and do the work properly. Thank you for watching this video. Now you will see the next video which will be based on the reflection of light, but it will be an activity to explain reflection of light. Thank you children for watching. Please subscribe this video and like this video because I am so much of enthusiastic for making all these. I am passing my time these days in making this video, so please subscribe and like this one.